I built a remote control boat. This boat is made out of balsa wood and it is waterproofed with a monocoat seal to provide very slick on the water but keep all the water out. It can go about 15-20 miles per hour and cruise right along. Approximate the 1/10 scale for boats, and you can put whatever you want wherever. It has plenty of weight capacity to hold whatever you would like to.
So like 2 GI Joes and all their stuff? Probably, I would imagine.
This boat I have set up with the electronics to be capable of going approximate half mile, just to be able to go across wherever you would like to go and don't have to worry about having to go out swimming.